na meron tayong way to fly from Bataan. Napaka-convenient. Going there, pwedeng mag-overnight ka and then fly the following day. At overall, it's a fun experience for me.
The Philippines is an archipelago. Regional flying is essential. Airports like Camaya allow direct flights in between destinations. Tara, sa Camaya!
Flying from Camaya to Baler, Baler to Camaya. It's been great kasi walang traffic, no hassle, ang bilis.
Traveling from Camaya to Baler, it's so easy.
And sure, nababalik-balikan namin siya.
Go to Camaya!
Everything about Baler is just so warm. To those who want some fun and thrilling activities, come with us and travel with Camaya Coast. Tara na!
Maraming salamat sa Balesin Island for hosting us and allowing us to go here coming from Camaya Coast. So for today, we will do a unique tour designed by Balesin to a culinary tour around the different villages ng Balesin. So maraming salamat for having us here. Let's have fun!
We're here at Balesin Island now at Costa del Sol. Our group is inside right now having a sumptuous Spanish meal. Hindi na pa kami umiikot dito. It's been a fantastic experience and looking forward to seeing all the villages. Thanks for joining us. This is one of the destinations of our Camaya Balesin trips and routes this coming summer 2026. Hope you can join us.